Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku I will solve in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, January the 6th, 2021. Yes, the fourth Sudoku is a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this Sudoku, a tectonic one, will be number 2123. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see single boxes? I see two single boxes. The single box is always a 1. That means these two boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. These three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be there. Those two boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. And then these two boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. But also that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. If I place a 1 here, then those four boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, and I need a 1 in one of those four boxes. It's a quadra box, so this is not the solution that I place the 1 here. The solution is that I place the 1 there. This box is reserved for the number 5 because all the other numbers, if I place the 2, the 3 and the 4, I need the 2 and the 3 and the 4 in these four boxes, so the only box left should be the 5. Alright, these three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. Alright. These three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. Dual box, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box also cannot be a 1. So two boxes left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. And these two boxes cannot be a these three boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be a 5, so one digit left should be the 4. So here we have two boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, so this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 and that box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in that box. And this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 4 as a together with the 2 as a pair, 2 and a 4. So one box left for the number 5. 2 boxes left here in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. Then. This box cannot be a 4 because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 4, so because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Let me see. This should be the 5. 2 boxes left in this quarter box for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Yeah. Let me think. Think hard. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair here. 3 to 4, so 1 digit left should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 2 here. 3, 3, 1, 3, 4. I think this should be a 2 because it cannot be a 3 or a 4 because I have a 3 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 2. Alright. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay. How about 3 or 2? I think this box should be a 4 because cannot be a 3 or a 2. 3 or a 2. I cannot place a 3 or 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 or 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be 5. Yes, 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. So this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 5. But also those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5. Could be here. Could be there. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 and 4 cannot be here. I think this box will be a 5. Because it cannot be 3 or a 4. We have a 3 and 4 there. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So this was the solution. The better solution than the previous conclusion, yes. So that box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 3, 4, 1 or 2. This should be 1 or 2. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes are left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. We have a double 4 here. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5. And this should be a 4. Alright. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 in this quadrat box. Contains the 1, 2, 3, and a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be a 2. So 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And then, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this quadrat box, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 2 or a 3. I need a 2 or a 3 there. Cannot fill the 2 or a 3 here. It cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 5. Alright. So this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. And the 3. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes as a pair. So this cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place a 4 here. So the 4 should be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. Alright. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this box? Cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 5. Cannot be a 4. So it should be 3 or 2. 3 or 2. How about this? 5 or 2. No. 2 numbers left. 1, 3, 5, 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 1. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2. This should be a 3. because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2, this should be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left for the 1. Alright, finished, completed in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. This Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Yes, I like this very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And maybe a tip for you. The next time you go to one of the movies or one of the Sudokus and click on that, the information, and you can download the PDF file. Download it, print it out, and start synchron with the movie, and you can solve it together with me. Or maybe you can do a match between you and me. Who will solve the Sudoku first? You solve it first or me? Alright, it's just a tip. Alright. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. See you tomorrow on a Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.